So if you are the type that has dehydrated skin and you are struggling with cakey face and also struggling with oily combination skin where after a certain time that your makeup actually settles into your fine lines and actually makes your face look extremely terrible, and if you have sensitive skin, this video will help you guys, so just keep on watching. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys do not know who I am, hi, my name is Sabrina Isabelle and welcome to my channel. So before we get started into this video, I would love to see you guys come back and watch my videos. So do subscribe to my channel right there, and if you think that this video is useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. So today's video is all about like my day skincare routine, how I actually moisturize my face, how I actually prime my face, and how I actually maintain my face without having any breakouts, how to actually reduce your pores, how to control your oils throughout the day. And because basically for me, I have struggled with all of those things that I've mentioned about dehydrated skin, cakey makeup, makeup settling in my fine lines, underneath my eye creases. Most of the time it's due to because of dehydrated skin. The very first thing, which not a lot of people will actually talk about, but the very first thing that you really need to do to actually take care of your skin is drink lots and lots of water, guys, because the more your body is hydrated, the more clearer your skin will be. Water is basically the main key to keeping your skin clear, to keep your skin from having any acne, and also keeping your skin hydrated and looking flawless, guys. So the very first product I want to talk to you guys about is this facial wash that I absolutely use it every single day. It's very gentle on the skin, it clears your skin. If you have sensitive skin, this product will actually help you guys. It's because this has a very mild exfoliant in it. It's not very rough on the skin. When you have sensitive skin, already struggling with dehydrated skin, try not to use a very harsh exfoliator. I love this Garnier Skin Naturals Light Complete Brightening Scrub because this is an extremely mild exfoliant. So this facial wash would actually like cleanse your face and actually just brighten up your face and get your face ready for makeup application. So I love using that. So once a week I will go in with this exfoliating powder which has salicylic acid and jojoba beads. Salicylic acid is actually very good for acne skin, so it actually helps to actually clear off the bacteria, reduce your acne on your face. Anything that has salicylic acid is actually good for acne prone skin. So I just like throw in this once a week together with my facial wash and just wash. And then what I find is when I use that in the daytime, it actually helps my skin so much more better because you're gonna put makeup on your face. So you gotta clear every bacteria, control your acne, and actually at the same time treat your acne on your face before you put your makeup. That is very important. So if you have like a lot of acne on your face, try to put in like an acne cream before you put on your makeup because it'll just help you reduce your acne and also control the bacteria on your face, guys, because acne and pimples and whiteheads and all those stuff are actually caused by clogged pores and also by bacteria and dirt. When you have bacteria underneath your face and you put makeup on your face, that's where your skin actually gets more sensitive and more prone to acne, especially if you have sensitive skin. It's because I used to break out a lot previously, and when I actually started doing whatever I'm doing right now, it actually has improved my skin so much more. That's why I want to share it with you guys. After that, I will just get ready and come into my beauty room. After cleansing my face, I will go in with a toner. So I will tone my face with the Pixie Glow Tonic, and this is exfoliating toner. It's a very mild exfoliant. Ever since I started using this, my skin also has improved, especially when it comes to the whiteheads. It has actually improved a lot, my whiteheads around here. I used to have like a lot, very prominent whiteheads. It just keeps everything in bay, clears off whatever left of bacteria or dust that it has on your face, and then you go on with your serum. So for serum, I like going in with the Fasali Unicorn Essence. It's because it has loaded with antioxidant and anti-aging properties, and it also is packed with vitamin C and supports your skin tone. It's a water-based formula that soaks up the supplements and keeps your face hydrated without leaving any greasy residue. That's the reason why I like this. And if you are oily combination, I would prefer you guys to actually stick with water-based serums and water-based moisturizer. It's because it doesn't clog your pores and it does hydrate you. Water-based serums, you might think that it might not give you the right hydration, but if you use the right right serum, it gives you the right hydration, but at the same time not making your face over oily throughout the day. Then after that, I like going in with this Tarte Skin Hyaluronic Acid H2O Serum. The word hyaluronic, so if you guys are using any water-based serum or cream, let it be daytime or nighttime. If you want hydrated skin, try to look for that word called hyaluronic acid, because that word actually means lock in moisture on your face. It's an ingredient that actually helps you to lock in moisture and keep your face hydrated throughout the day or the night. If besides that, if I do not use the Tarte, if you're looking for something like really inexpensive, I would recommend the Neutrogena Hydra Boost. This also locks in the moisture on your face. This has never failed me. This has never made me over greasy throughout the day, has kept my face super hydrated, and my makeup will also last longer and super flawless. So the next thing is, a lot of people don't do this, but you have to do this. Sometimes do realize that when you have like that line underneath your eyes and throughout the day it starts to crease, the reason why it creases is because your under eye area is dry. It's not because your under eye area is oily. A lot of people get this mistaken. I do have to mention this. When you wear makeup and then throughout the day your face becomes over oily and you start to crease all over your place, in the sense of like you're literally like a walking frying pan. You think that your face is overhydrated, but that is not it. That means your face is actually extremely dehydrated, and that is the reason why your oils is actually pushing out from your skin more than usual. Is because it wants to give your face that hydration that it doesn't have. Try to put in like an eye cream, any favorite eye cream that you have that you like. I like the New York Solutions eye gel, the daytime eye gel. It just keeps my eyes hydrated and also wakes up my eyes, guys. Normally in this time when I actually do a video, my eyes will be looking very droopy and dead, but this eye gel actually just like helps me to wake up the eye and just gives you that instant wake up, you know. And then after that is done, I'll go in with this particular product. And this particular product, ever since I've bought it, I've absolutely not put it down, and it has improved my skin. I didn't actually believe it, but this is like probably the 3rd week that I'm using it, and my face is just amazing, guys. I just love it. And this is the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. I know this is very expensive, but trust me, guys, when I use this on my face, it doesn't clog my pores, it doesn't make me over oily. So basically, it's an oil-free primer. It's not like a silicone primer. When you apply it on your face, you would definitely feel the difference between a silicone primer and this primer. It's not a silicone primer. Once you apply it on your face, it goes down matte. Your makeup doesn't slip and slide on your face. It just stays in place. It just locks your makeup in place. And it also does nourish your skin a little bit, guys. So I love this primer a lot. But if you guys think that this primer is a little bit too expensive for your taste, something that has like good properties but in a water-based spray type, definitely recommend the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing and Setting Spray. So this has coconut water and probiotic based ingredients and skin revivers. So this is also silicone free, and once you apply this on your face, it does keep your face hydrated, it nourishes your skin, and at the same time makes your face a little bit tacky for foundation application, so it just like sticks in place. After that, I will go in with foundations. And if you guys are actually wondering, okay, what foundation, I'm oily combination, what foundation should I go in for? You guys should actually stay away from hydrating foundations, because if you are like oily combination and you go for a hydrating foundation, your face can get a little bit oily. I like 3 different foundations that I use that really works for me. The first is the Fenty Beauty Foundation. The Fenty Beauty Foundation is very lightweight on your face. I have it on my face today, so you can see it's like just makes your face flawless, stays in place whole day. It's a very long lasting foundation, and of course it's a matte foundation. The other one will be the Huda Beauty. This is an extremely matte and a heavy duty foundation, full coverage foundation. So if you want to use this foundation, do hydrate your skin properly as well. It's because if you don't hydrate your skin, your oils will start to come out on your face too much, and then it will just mess everything up. The last one I would recommend will be the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup foundation. This is a temperature control foundation. So if you guys are like sitting in an air conditioned room for more than 5 to 6 hours, I would recommend you guys to actually try this out. It's temperature control where you go between hot and cold in a day very frequently. Then try to get the Estee Lauder so your makeup actually just controls and stays in place. If you're looking for something that is really inexpensive, I do recommend the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Polish Foundation. This is an extremely lightweight foundation. Very good on the skin. It's very lightweight. It doesn't clog up your pores. It doesn't make you over oily. It just stays in place. Makes your makeup absolutely flawless. If you are oily combination, try to use loose setting powder rather than compact powders, because compact powders has a little bit of mineral oil to it. So if you do not want your face to be over oily or over cakey, try not to use compact powders. It does make your face cakey if you are oily combination. The last thing I do have to mention, if you are wearing your makeup more than 5 to 6 hours in a day and you do want to pat your face down, try not to pat your face down more than once a day. Is because when you're out and about more than 5 to 6 hours in a day, your face is actually exposed to dirt, bacteria, pollution, dust. So everything is just sitting on your face right now. So just imagine you have all of that stuff on your face, and then you're taking your loose powder or your compact powder and you're setting your face in. What happens then is whatever bacteria or whatever dust that you have on your face, you're actually pressing the dust back into your face. That's how you have pimples, you have more clogged pores. So if you really absolutely need to pat your face down, try to do it only once. Do blot your face with a tissue or a blotting paper. Take out all the oils off your face first and then pat down your face. For me, I try not to actually pat my face down when I'm out and about. I have not actually pat my face down for very long. Whatever I put on my face is that's it, and then I come back home with the same face. I have never like pat down my face when I'm at work or when I'm out with my hubby or when I go out with my family. I've never pat my face down, so I just leave my face as it is. So we are done, guys. So I truly hope that this video actually helps you guys. If it did, do share it with your friends and family and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this video. If you have any questions to ask me regarding of what I've actually spoke today, you just drop that comment down below and I will gladly reply you guys. So if you guys want to follow me on my social media accounts, you can follow me in Instagram. My handle is Sabrina Isabelle 1. Go and follow me on Instagram as well. I do short stories, short skincare videos, short makeup videos. I do a lot of fun stuff in Instagram, guys. So go ahead and follow me there in Instagram. And yes, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.